Hey folks, come on in. See this doll baby we just finished. There's over 40 windows in this place, and they're all, I'd say, it's hard to give a percentage of what is still leaded glass, but in the mornings when you see the sun come through the glass, you can see the waves in the glass. It's just beautiful to me, and I think it's a little added addition to this house because there's still a lot of that left in it. When we got in here, everything was covered up by, 1970s curtains, and it just hid everything. But now that you come in, you'll see a very bright house with, it's just a very cheery house. If you look at the floors, original heart pine, those were covered in an absolutely ugly tile that we saw through, and we managed to get down to that good stuff. All right, follow me through this, folks. This place had some horrendous wallpaper. We got it down to some beautiful looking walls. You'll notice behind me, there is a fireplace. If you'll follow me real quick, I'm gonna show you the other side of that fireplace, which makes this house all that much cooler to me. I don't know, I think it makes this house just really, really neat that you have two fireplaces to enjoy, and you wouldn't expect it in this bedroom. So this would be a very cozy bedroom. From the living room here into the dining room, even back into the kitchen, there were like 6 layers of wallpaper. Finally got it down to some beautiful looking plaster. We're able to bring color and texture back. It really turned out nicely. The house originally had 1 bathroom. All we had to do was bring it down to the studs and replace all the accoutrements that are in a typical bathroom, but we did save the old standard tub and have it resurfaced. I'm gonna take you into, I think it can be described as 2 different things, maybe a butler's pantry or a kitchen nook, but the cabinets are still here with what I would call a butler's pantry, but you could even have a small table here for eating if you wanted to, but you have this bar that we've made that you can eat in too. We took a partial of a wall out here that was built up over the years and created an open kitchen. It was just perfect for this. You've got plenty of space in, plenty of work area. It goes out to the back area, which has room for washer, dryer, and a small mud room. There is a huge pantry for anybody that wants to store 500 years of food. It's just giant. And you'll notice on most areas of the house, we kept the floor. It's original. We think the kitchen, I think, is an ash. It's not an oak, so that's a little different. It's kind of cool to have those little differences in flooring around the house. So I think the rest of the house is oak. Hey guys, follow me over here. This is a master bedroom. There's a little study back here, totally windowed out. It's so bright and cheery in this house. I've had a couple people come in and they were just amazed at how much glass was in this house. That and closet space is really plentiful here. This is a master closet. It's pretty big. It's got set shelves in there already. Nice to use. And behind me is it was really an unused spot of the house, and we created another bathroom, the master bathroom here. You'll notice I'm on the side of the house. Odd place to be for a porch, but it works out really cool. You have this side porch along with the front part of the porch that you can enjoy. The breeze that you see we got going here, couple room for chairs, nice morning spot. It comes down to the driveway and goes out to the street.